with your game, pop your shit, say something pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the like none, and they all think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These bad bitches you like is my son.
Hey guys, so today in today's video, we're going to be making some mittens, and this is going to be a quick tutorial. It's not hard. Even if you're a beginner, it's not hard. If you know your stitches, then this is an easy project. So I'm only gonna be making one mitten on the video, but obviously I will have two by the end of the video. So let's go. I'm gonna do it in parts. This is gonna be a quick and fast tutorial. Okay guys, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna make your magic circle, and then you're gonna chain 8 double crochets. Okay guys, so this is what row 1 looks like. For row 2 and 3, you're gonna do increase rows. Row 2 is going to be 2 double crochets in each of the 8 chains. And then for row 3, you're going to do 1 double crochet and then an increase, 1 double crochet and then an increase, 1 double crochet and increase. So this is row 1. Row 2 is double, 2 double crochets in each chain. And then row 3, you're going to do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next one, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next one. If you know how to do regular increase rows like you're making a hat, then this shouldn't be a problem. But that's what I'm going to do. So this is after 3 rows. I'm going to do another row of increase. If you feel like this is good enough for your hand, then you just go ahead and do 1 single crochet all the way around, and we'll figure out how many rows we need. Well, you'll figure out how many rows you need based on how long your hand is. I will do my length, and basically what I'm doing is I'm going to do a 4th row of increase. So I ended off with let me see if I can show you guys. 1 double crochet and then double crochets in the chain. 1 double crochet, increase. That's where I ended off at row 3. I'm going to do 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then double. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then double. So I did 8 double crochets in row 1. Row 2, I did 2 double crochets in each chain going around for row 2. And then row 3, I did 1 double crochet and then a double, as you guys can see. 1 double crochet and then a double. So for row 4, I'm going to do 1 double. Okay guys, so now that I've done row 4, I don't know if you're still at row 3, but I've done row 4. I think that would be enough for my hand. So from here on out, I'm just gonna go from where I left off all the way until I get almost to my thumb. Okay guys, so yes, you're going to make your double crochets all the way down to your thumb, and I will show you what it's looking like and how many rows I did in the next clip. Here is part of the next clip, and as you guys can see, this is what it's looking like for now. You're going to continue going down until you get to where you need to be, and then I will show you that what we're going to do for the row that is before your thumb. You're going to chain all the way to the end, but you're going to leave 4 spaces. So that way you can chain 3 and make the space for your thumb. I will show you what I'm talking about in the next clip. I'm just showing you what size hook I used, which was a 6. Obviously, you can size down and use whatever yarn and hook you want. This is not the be all end all. This is just what I wanted to use for demonstration purposes, so you guys can see and get the gist of what I'm doing. So here in this clip, I'm showing you that I left the 4 spaces and I chained 3, and I'm going to slip stitch into the 4th chain that I left before you have to slip stitch to end the round. So that's what I'm telling you guys. I'm showing you. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like. We've made the thumb hole. It's enough space. My finger is big, so I'm pretty sure your hand can fit in there. And there is a lot of space. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like and what yours should be looking like for whatever hook size you use, whatever yarn size you decide to use. So I'm demonstrating by putting my thumb in there, and it was a great fit for me. I like the way it looks, and that's how I did my thing. Now you can add more rows. You can add more rows if you want. And then what I'm going to do is make half double crochets to do the cuff size. Now you can drag out your cuff if you want to. That's totally up to you. I just did a little bit to show you guys for demonstration purposes. So that's what I'm showing you, the length, how many rows I did. You guys can count. I think it was like 13 rows or so, or something like that. And then I'm gonna start working on the cuff. So any background noise you hear is my daughter, obviously. I know this. If you're an OG watcher, you know to ignore everything in the background other than what I'm saying. So here's the cuff. I did back loop only, half double crochets for 3 rows. You can definitely add, and you can use whatever colors you want. It's not that hard to change the color. So for the thumb, I did 3 rows of double crochets, and then I did 1 row of increase, and I slip stitched it off, and then I just tucked the string in. And that's all. It's nothing hard. You could just slip stitch anywhere in the circle where the thumb part is to crochet your thumb. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like, and then I will insert a picture at the end. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully you guys can follow the tutorial. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching my videos to the end, liking it and commenting. Even if you have something negative to say, I'm still going to get the engagement and the coins. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will be posting another video later on too, because I know there is a lot of people who still want to learn the basics of crochet. So yeah, so thank you guys, and stay tuned for the giveaway. It is coming soon, and I will let you guys know all the details. So just enjoy the little ending music, and then you're gonna see the picture. Make sure to give this a thumbs up.